Hello there, viewers. Welcome back to the channel. Rice is low in fat and is an easily digestible, gluten-free grain that offers several B vitamins as well. To lose weight, you must create a calorie deficit by eating fewer calories than you can burn daily. Eating white rice to lose weight might sound like a bluff, but it's true. Most weight loss diets restrict excess calorie consumption. To lose weight, you must create a calorie deficit by eating fewer calories than you can burn daily. This is why several people stay away from rice, as it packs high amounts of carbohydrates and is rich in calories. But should you eliminate it from your diet altogether? Not necessarily. Rice is also low in fat and is an easily digestible, gluten-free grain that offers several B vitamins. So you may want to reconsider banning it completely from your diet. You need to be careful while consuming rice on a weight loss diet. Experts believe that now you can eat your favorite white rice and still lose weight, but only if you follow these essential tips. Here are some brilliant ways to amp up the rice-based meal's nutritional value and manage weight effectively. Number 1. White rice for weight loss. Nutritionists and health experts often suggest a low-calorie and low-fat diet lose weight, and white rice perfectly fits in. According to experts, white rice is a gluten-free grain, which is low in fats and is easy to digest, which eventually makes it great for boosting the metabolic rate, which accelerates the weight loss process. White rice is rich in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B and magnesium, to name a few. However, an excess of white rice will lead to weight gain. Number 2. Keep an eye on the portion. Take only one helping of rice during a single meal to restrict the number of calories you eat with rice. According to your dietary needs and the kind of low-carb or low-calorie diet you may follow, adjust your rice portions and skip eating carbs in meals before or after the one with rice. Now, before moving to the next one, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications of our new video uploads. Number 3. Change the way of cooking. The easiest way to discard the high carbohydrate content of rice is by cooking them more healthily. You can soak rice for a few hours, boil them, and discard the water. Avoid frying rice or adding too many fats like ghee or oil that will add to the calories. Number 4. Add fresh veggies. Yes, the best way to amp up the nutritional value of rice meals is to either pair a small bowl of rice with veggies or leafy greens, or just add more veggies to your rice delicacies like tossed rice or rice salads. Rice may make you feel hungry sooner than other carbs. You can avoid this by pairing your helping of rice with several roasted or grilled vegetables with high fiber or protein in them. Consider beans, asparagus, broccoli, or even chicken breast or turkey breast. So here we end up for today. Weight loss can be achieved without exercising dietary restrictions also, given that you are regular with your daily workouts and are eating food at the right time. Practicing moderation also stands out to be a key component of healthy weight loss. Stay fit and healthy. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.